BEMS versus O, which is better? Most people get this wrong, but comparing the BMWC, EVA and O isn't just about performance. You won't believe how different these vehicles feel in terms of handling, comfort and technology. The BMW C is a compact luxury of offering strong turbocharged engines, sharp handling and a premium interior. It features advanced safety systems, a responsive infotainment screen and comfortable seating for 5. Its higher ground clearance and optional all-wheel drive make it versatile for different road conditions. The U, depending on market, is a smaller or mid-size sub with a focus on efficiency and practicality. It typically offers less horsepower than the CS, but fuel economy is strong. Interior quality is good but not as luxurious, and tech features are adequate for everyday needs. Driving experience is a key difference. The Z's feels sporty and engaging, ideal for enthusiasts who enjoy dynamic handling, while the U prioritizes comfort and easy maneuvering, particularly in urban environments. In conclusion, choosing between the BMW, EVA and U depends on your priorities. If you value performance, luxury and tech, the TIS is the better pick. If efficiency, affordability and practicality matter more, the U could suit you best. Understanding your needs ensures the right decision.